One of the mistakes people make when they're implementing a CRM is they don't have a way to get the data in the system. Sometimes they might have, they've implemented a platform and they expect salespeople to go and log in and to do the work and put the information in the system. Yes, that's probably a way for it to go in, and that is probably one of the main ways that it goes in. But if that's the only way it happens, you're never going to get the culture that you need to get people actually using the system. You need to have an automated way of getting data into the system. You need to have it tracking things like your emails. You need to have your customer or maybe ads running into the system so that it's filling up information, so that that is where your sales teams go to find out information about leads, customers, deals, etc. If everything is there, that's where everyone has to look. If you don't make it, or if you let it go segmented off into post-it notes and spreadsheets, you don't have control. If you don't make it easy for the salesperson, they're not going to use the system. So do yourself a favor, put your stuff into the system using forms, using APIs, using links, using your emails, using spreadsheet uploads. Just get it in there without having to use manual data entry. The manual part comes once the data is in there, once you go and speak to the contact, once you update some notes. Maybe you have a conversation with a contact and you leave some notes in there and you mention another sales rep. That's another great way to communicate on the record in context inside the CRM. So that helps to generate the right habits to get your sales team actually using it. So that's been another way on how to improve your CRM implementation.